Good morning. I'm gonna do a quick video of unboxing this Blink video camera. My niece got one, and this is a holder right here. So I'm gonna unbox it and show you what it is. She's gonna put this in her apartment, so she need to mount it on her door without, drilling any holes or anything. So I'm gonna unbox it and show you what it looks like. And then later on another video, I do how to install it. Here we go. Okay, this is what comes in the box. I'm gonna take everything out and just show you. It's really simple. This is the Blink door camera. So you got the camera itself. I'm gonna take the plastic off. And you also have the holder. And the holder mounts to the camera. And then you have these screws and nuts to mount this on your wall outside. And these are your simple instructions. It's really not in instructions. Once you download the app, it'll walk you through how to set this up. And I call this the key to take the camera off the mount. So you can just push this to open up the battery, to put the two AA batteries inside, and it comes with AA batteries. So you see the mount right here. You're going to drill some holes and mount this on the outside of your house. And this camera goes in just like that. And you notice that you push that in and that's it. So to take this off, you see it's at the bottom, you push that in. I'm gonna lay it down so I can get it. Push that in and pop the camera off. So you need to get one of these if you stay in an apartment and you can't drill holes and stuff in the door. But this is what comes in this box mount. It's an anti-theft box mount. You see right there, it gives you the instructions, and also you can use it for a Ring camera, but we're gonna demo the Blink. So this is everything that comes in the box. You have these sponges right here, and you have the sponge mount. So you take that sponge mount and put it there on top, and you take your Ring camera, and make sure you take the back cover off the mounts, because you won't need that wall mount anymore since you're gonna be using this box. So you put the camera in just like this. Then you take two of these sponges, put one on each side, and it fits perfectly in there. And then you slide it in that housing box, and there you go. So you got it mounted in the housing box. Next, what you want to do is go ahead and mount this on the frame right there. And you could just put it, you see I'm going this way. I'm trying to picture in my head how this is going to fit on the door. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my screws in. And I'm doing a voiceover on this. Matter of fact, I put it on backward. I'm gonna just show you. I'm gonna just go ahead and put these on. And this is a torque screws. So they come in a package. And then you take this handle right here and you screw it on. And then you take that little screw right there and you mount it on. That's so it won't damage your door. And it's really simple. That's all that comes in it. So once I got this little frame on right here, I noticed that if I put that on the door, it won't be right. But I'm gonna go ahead and put this box on. You just slide that in. And notice that the part that the screw go in is gonna be at the bottom. It's a reason for that, so people can't easily steal it. So you take that and you slide it on that mount, and it just clicks into space. You see that? It clicks right there. And notice at the bottom, you got another screw. Like I said, that screw go right there at the bottom. So if somebody's trying to take it off, they got to get on their knees and look under there and take it off. But I noticed that when I look at this don't look right. It ain't orientated right. So I needed to take this off and spin it 90 degrees. Or spin it 180 degrees. So I took that and moved it over and put those screws back in. It's that simple. So once I got the screws and stuff mounted back in, I'm gonna show you what it looks like, and we're gonna go ahead and go mount it on the door. So now when I'm looking at it, it looks right now. You see, I'm gonna put it on the door frame and I'm gonna screw it on, and there you go. So I'm gonna just show you what it looks like on the door. So I got it here. I'm gonna open my door. I'm gonna put that on, and then I'm gonna just tighten it up. And the good thing about this, you can move it what height you want, up or down. You don't have to worry about putting holes and stuff in the wall. And look at that. It's that simple. So I'm gonna just close the door and just show you how it works. We're gonna go ahead and make sure it's tight. We're gonna close the door. You see that? And matter of fact, I like it. You know, I'm doing this for my niece, and I think I'm gonna get me one and put it in the garage. You see how it looks on the door? And you can move that up. I'm gonna move it up a little bit just to show you. And like I said, that screw at the bottom, if somebody try to steal it, they have to get under there with that torque screw and unscrew that and then pull the plate off and take the camera and all that. So I'm gonna just go ahead and screw this and move it up. You see how I moved that up? And it looks good. It don't look bad at all. So this is what the Blink camera looks like with the mount. So on my next video, I'll show you guys how to install the program and run this Blink camera.